Okay guys, so really quickly we're going to go over plugging in a solution. So before we talked about equivalent expressions, and we talked about how if they give you a variable in the problem but they don't tell you what number, then you would plug in 2. But in this case they tell me k is 6.5 or equals 6.5. So I'm literally just going to take my answer choices and plug in and see which one comes out equal. So I'm going to start with answer F. Okay, I am looking for the answer to be 19.5. So I have negative 3k, and I know that when they sit next to each other is multiplication. So I'm going to do negative 3 times 6.5. So before I start multiplying, I'm going to use integer man. Integer man says negative 3, positive 6. My answer, whatever it is going to be negative. Because this 19.5 is not negative, I know F is wrong. So quick elimination there. So then we have letter G. Letter G says negative 1 plus k, and we're hoping this answer will come out 7.5. So I have negative 1, this is answer G, negative 1 plus, and again, we're plugging in 6.5 for k. In this case, I have an integer problem, so same or different. Well, these are going to be different, and different means to subtract. And so if I take 6 and subtract 1, I'm not going to get 7. So again, quick elimination there. Letter H, if I were to test letter H, I have negative 7 next to k. Negative 7 next to k is a multiplication problem. So I'm going to do negative 7 times and then 6.5. Again, I need a integer man because I'm multiplying with a negative. And so I have a negative 7 and a positive 6.5. So my answer, whatever it is going to be negative. When I look at answer H, I'm hoping to get negative 45.5. So because this is negative and that's negative, this is a good answer to actually multiply out. So I'm going to do 6.5 times 7. And then 7 times 5 is 35. Notice I didn't have to line up any decimals. You don't have to do that when you're multiplying or dividing. So 7 times 6, 42, plus 3 is 45. Okay, I'm done multiplying, but I do have a decimal. So when I have a decimal, I only have one space behind it. So I'm going to move my decimal over one space. So this answer is going to be negative 45.5, which is a correct match, and answer H. So this is how we plug in a given solution and check for equality.